Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many special thanks to all my channel members who have subscribed to this channel. I really appreciate your support. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button to ensure that you won't miss out on any of my content and get notified when I upload new videos. Remember, the more engagement by liking, sharing and commenting on the videos lets me know that the content is being liked and appreciated, and this will help me to improve. Your encouragement, advice and feedback mean the world to me. Question words, or as we sometimes call them, the WH words. Some of the question words like what, why, who, how, when, where, and whose. We use question words to ask questions about certain things, and we often call them as WH words because they have the letters W and H in them, like here in why and how. First, what? We use it to ask about things, animals, professions, professions means jobs, action, information, and time. Let's see some examples. What is this? A window. It's a thing. What do you want to eat? Fish and chips. What does he do? He's a fisherman. I'm asking about his job. What are these? They are snakes. What is your name? Alice. What are you doing? Reading a book. What time do you get up? 7 a.m. So like we said, we use what to ask about time when we put the word time after it. What time? What's the weather like? It's windy. Who? We use it to ask about people, person, characters, and identity. Let's see examples. Who is this man? My uncle. Who teaches you English? Mrs. Lee. Who helps sick people? The doctor. Who is your favorite singer? Michael Jackson. Who makes your bed? Mom. Who wants some ice cream? I do. When? We use when to ask about the time of an event or activity, time of day, days, months, and seasons. Let's see examples. When do you do your homework? After school. When is the trip? Next week. When do you eat lunch? In the afternoon. When do you visit your grandparents? On Fridays. When is your birthday? In April. When does school start? In September. When does it rain? In winter. Where? We use it to ask about a place. Let's see examples. Where do you live? In Brooklyn. Where is the post office? On the left. Where do you come from? Spain. Where does mom cook? In the kitchen. Where are your shoes? Under the bed. Where do sharks live? In oceans. Whose? We use whose to ask about ownership or possessors of things, that is, to whom something belongs to. And to use whose in a question, we usually ask in this way. Whose object is this? Whose something is this? And to answer this question, we usually answer it in 3 ways. Let's see the first one. The first way to answer, we say it's and the name with the apostrophe S, or it's the name with the apostrophe S and the object. Like we say, it's Helen's, or it's Helen's bike. It's Mike's, or it's Mike's car. Let's see examples. Whose book is this? Of course, book, this is the object. Whose book is this? The answer can be it's Jack's, or it's Jack's book. Whose sunglasses are these? Of course, sunglasses is the object. The answer can be they are Dad's, or they are Dad's sunglasses. The second way to answer this question by saying it's, the possessive adjective and the object. Possessive adjectives like my, your, her, his, its, our, and their. So we can put one of the possessive adjectives and the object in the answer. Let's see examples. Whose bag is this? It's his bag. Whose class is this? It's their class. The last one, we can say it's and then one of the possessive pronouns. And remember, possessive pronouns are mine, yours, hers, his, its, ours, and theirs. Let's see examples. Whose shirt is this? It's mine. Whose house is this? It's ours. Why? We use why to ask for the reason something happened, and we usually answer using the words because or to. So, in your answer, you will always find one of these two words, because or to. Let's see examples. Why are you crying? Because I'm sad. Why should we eat healthy food? To be fit and healthy. Why did you miss the bus? Because I woke up late. Why is recycling important? To keep the environment clean. Why were you absent? Because I was sick. Why do kids go to school? To learn. How? We use how to ask about conditions, details, way or manner, numbers, quality or price. Let's see examples. How was your day? It was great. How was your exam? It was easy. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How old are you? 8 years old. How do you go to school? By bus. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How was your meal? Delicious. How much does it cost? $5. Exercise. Now let's practice using the question words together. First, we're going to fill in with one of the following question words. Of course, the words are what, who, when, where, whose, why, and how. Let's see a sentence. Do you need the money to buy sweets? So here I have a reason to buy sweets. So we're going to ask using why. Why do you need the money to buy sweets? Do birds chirp in the morning? Of course, I'm asking about a timing, right? So, when do birds chirp? In the morning. Many brothers do you have? 1. Of course, I'm asking about a number, so I'm going to use how. How many brothers do you have? 1. Flask is this? It's mine. Whose flask is this? It's mine. Do you swim? In the pool. So, of course, we say, where do you swim? In the pool. Is your favorite color blue? What is your favorite color? Blue. Helps you to study? Mom. Who helps you to study? Mom. The next exercise, we're going to match questions from Group A with answers from Group B. The first one, whose car is this? Whose car is this? So the answer is going to be letter C. It's my uncle's. Number 2, how do you feel? How do you feel? Letter E, I feel better. Number 3, what time is it? And the answer will be, it's 8 o'clock. Number 4, when do flowers bloom? When do flowers bloom? In spring. Number 5, who helps sick animals? And the answer will be the vet. Number 6, where are you going? To the club. Number 7, why are you so excited? Because it's my birthday.